What's up, YouTube? Here we are. We got the FATECIM fairing. It's gonna go on my Lowrider S here, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get it unboxed and the install video of how to do it. But you're gonna need the FATECIM. Link will be below, and then you also need this from Memphis Shades. It's the headlight extension kit, black, and it says it's for the Lowrider S. It's not their other block one, because that will not go on a lowrider, or at least a 22 Lowrider S. You need the extension kit, which I have here. So we'll go ahead and get this all out of the box. Do a little snap to do it. And here we go. So pretty decent quality. I mean, for what it is. This thing was like $100, y'all. This is it all laid out. It's painted pretty nice looking brackets here. I'll show you the back of it. Seems like a pretty simple setup. It did come with this block, however, this will not work, which is why you have to purchase this to make it work. I mean, okay, let me backtrack. It will work. It will work like this, but your headlight will be recessed back in here and it won't look good. So you get this extension to bring it out so it's more flush and looks good. And again, here's the windshield. A lot of people do complain about it, say it's not the best, but hey, paying $100 for this versus, you know, close to $1,000 for other things. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the stock fairing off and show you guys how to install it. All right, one cool thing I did here, this was the bubble wrap that the stuff actually came in, and then like this like soft stuff. What I did is put it on the tank of the bike, protect it in case, you know, you're digging it with any tools. But first thing, all you need is, this is a T25. So we're gonna use it to get off the stock fairing. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Stock fairing's almost off. I found I had this little like cool extender tool. It's like magnetic, but it has this little twisty thing on it, so it makes it easy. No clue what it's called or where it came from. But having these tiny tools is definitely a lifesaver, because the heck if you're getting a bigger one in here. All right, stock fairing is partially down. Okay, so looks like there's these little rubber things here that it just pushes into, so you just pop them right on out. All right, so what we're looking at here is that it's gonna mount, the top part here goes on the riser bolts. So right in there. And then we're gonna reuse this piece here. All right, so we got the stock pieces off, thrown over here. By the way, don't mind the messy garage, okay? I know y'all have a messy garage. Kind of reveals we got this stock top bracket here. And in addition, we have the bottom one here for the headlight, but the bracket is right here for the bottom part. So we're gonna reuse this piece and some type of Allen for it. And as everything on a Harley, it's super tight. Oh yeah. This thing is on there, y'all. Yep. Be careful. Looks like the ABS and module is here. You don't want to like bang that with your hand and break it. Typical Harley, Loctiting the shit out of everything. Had to get another tool with more leverage. Boom, baby. This is now broke free, which will then give you access to this, which is what we needed. I'm actually just gonna take the headlight off. It's definitely much easier to do if you just unplug the headlight. By the way, y'all, this is a T30 down here. And in typical Harley fashion, they Loctite the crap out of everything. Pro tip, you probably want to lock your forks when you do this. As you can see, Harley loving the Loctite. These things are probably going to be super hard. So some really quick tips that'll save you a lot of time. Now, the bracket that comes with it, the mounting holes you need to put it in are these ones right here, not where this little hook is, but there's a little hole back here that it goes through, and those are the ones you want to use. So the bracket faces this way into these two mounting holes. This is the part that goes under your riser bolts. So yeah, essentially right here, you know, got to tighten everything down, but these go here under the riser bolts. Should just slide right in there. All right, so once that's in there, and you also got to make sure you have enough space to clear your forks here, like the top of the forks. So you don't push it all the way in. Kind of got to leave it out just a tad bit, then tighten them down. So I'm just gonna hold it there. Now the bottom part, like I said, this piece is off your stock headlight, okay? It's like U-shaped, and what happens is it goes here, but you see this little lip right here that comes out? You're basically gonna use it, you're kind of pinching it in there. So this goes down, then your bolts will come back up through here to pull it down tight, and then essentially that's how your headlight is in. So you see how it fits? So real simple, using the stock headlight bracket to force this down. Now you could probably get maybe some small spacers to put there, but it should work like this. So just a real quick tip on how to get this on nice and easy. All right, another tip to add when putting it in through the riser bolts there, tighten them down just a little bit, but enough to where you can still move it around at the top here. And you want to do full lock left and right, and kind of look at your tank there, make sure it's not hitting, and full lock the other way and see where it's at before you tighten everything down. So then once you have that set, go ahead and tighten down the riser bolts pretty tight, because that's what's going to mainly hold this in place. And there we go, it's in there nice and tight. Tighten the headlight down. Looks pretty good. Got these all tightened in. This is clamped down really nice, and this lip, I don't know how well you can see that, but that lip with the stock U bracket, whatever you want to call it, right there. Got the Memphis Shade headlight bracket to extend it out to bring it forward, and it tilts. FYI, it is all the way in the down position, and the headlight just cocked back, and it fits in there perfectly. So got that all tight, and now just got to put on the windshield, and boom, it is on, y'all. It was a little bit of work, a lot of fidangling, but I think it looks awesome. Don't mind the messy garage, but nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. I made sure I tightened everything down, but yeah, that's basically how you install this fairing. And that plus the bracket, you're looking at 130 bucks. Finished it right before sunset. So again, if this was helpful, if you guys can please like and subscribe, be a huge help. I know I did not see any tutorial videos on this fairing, so